Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bolt Astra earbuds to the Bolt Amp app. First, make sure your Bolt Astra earbuds are fully charged. This ensures a smooth connection. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. This step is crucial for your phone to discover the earbuds. Finally, remove both earbuds from their charging case. They should automatically enter pairing mode, indicated by a flashing light, ready for the next step. Now, let's get the app ready. Head over to your phone's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search for Bolt Amp. Download and install the official application. Once installed, open the app. It might ask for certain permissions, like location access or Bluetooth. Please grant these to ensure the app can properly communicate with your Bolt Astra earbuds and provide all its features. With the app open, it's time to pair your earbuds. Look for an option like Add Device or Connect Device within the Bolt Amp app interface. The app will then begin scanning for nearby Bolt devices. You should see Bolt Astra appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to start the pairing process. Your phone might display a Bluetooth pairing request. Simply confirm it to establish the connection between your earbuds and the app. Congratulations! Once paired, the Bolt Amp app will display a confirmation message, indicating your Bolt Astra earbuds are successfully connected. You'll now see useful information, such as the individual battery levels for both your left and right earbuds. From here, you can explore various features like customizing equalizer settings to fine-tune your sound, or adjusting touch controls for a personalized experience. Enjoy your enhanced audio journey with your Bolt Astra and the Bolt Amp app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.